Hi guys, it's Carly from Banggood website. You guys must have a nice Christmas day, and the Banggood website just finished the Christmas promotion. Now let's get ready for the 2019. Thanks for your support to our channel and shopping website. As a return, I will choose 3 winners to give you this Aussie product which are hot selling on Banggood website. Please follow the rules here and you will have a chance to win this product. Well, the first one is the Mental Activator RC car. The most amazing aspect of this model is it can really work like the real activators. And the second one is the RC Off-Road military truck. It stimulates car spring suspension and have strong power, good climbing performance. The last one is the high-speed RC car. The car speed is up to 30 kilometers per hour, and also it has the high temperatures protection and the battery overcharge protection. Well, it's all for these giveaways. Please make sure you follow the rules step by step. First, you need to subscribe our channel. Second, share the video. Third, and leave the comment with the share link. May the coming new year bring you joy, love and peace. I hope you guys continue to be together with Banggood website. Thanks for watching and see you next time.